Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you how to make a stopwatch in Python. This lesson might be a bit too long, so I hope you guys get ready right now so we can do this long project. Okay, so first we'll start by using the import function, import tcanter as tk. Now we'll go to the third line. Now we'll put define start with brackets, and then we'll put a colon at the end. And now do global running. Okay, so we'll do this, and then I'll type if not running, and then we'll do running equals true. And then we'll enter and type update time. Now we'll go to line 9. We'll skip the 8th line. Now we do def stop. Define stop. Global running. And we'll have to put an indent in here. And we'll put a colon here in the def stop. Now in this area we'll put running equals false. Okay. Now let's go to the line 13 and type def reset. Now do this. We'll go here and type global running, and then we'll do counter. Running equals false. Okay. Now after this we will put counter equals 0. And then we'll do time underscore label dot config. And then we'll type text equals 00 colon 00 colon 00. So that will be the seconds, minutes, hours. Okay, now we'll go to line 19 and type def update underscore time. And here we'll do this. We'll type a global counter. running. And now at line 21, we'll write if running. And we'll put this colon here. After that, we'll do counter. And then we'll do plus equals 1. Time underscore label dot config we'll do text equals format underscore time, and we'll put the brackets and type counter. And now we'll do root dot after and then we'll type 1000 update time. Now in the line 26, we'll go there and skip the 25th line. Now let's do def format underscore time. So we'll do mins sec and equals, and then we'll put divmod and type seconds 60. Okay. Let's just fix this a bit. Okay, so we'll go back here. Okay, now at line 28, we'll type hours mins as in minutes equals divmod minutes 60. Okay. And under the def format time, let's just put seconds here. I forgot to tell that. And we'll put a colon here. Okay, now we'll go in line 29 and type the return. F string. And then we'll put some curly brackets and type hours colon 02. Make another curly bracket. In between it, put a colon. And in there, put mint as in minutes. And then you type 02. And then you put sec. You put the seconds. And then it will do 02 as well. And we'll skip this time, this part, and the root equals tk.tk. Now we'll do root.title stopwatch hyphen program. You can name this anything you want. Okay. Now we'll skip line 33 and go to 34. Running equals false. Counter equals 0. Now we'll go to line 37. Time underscore label equals tk dot label root text equals 00:00:00 as the start of the stopwatch. And we'll put a comma in between. And then we'll do font equals, I like Calibri font, but you guys can pick any font. Like, if you use Microsoft Word or like something like that, there's like different fonts you use, or like PowerPoint or all these stuff. And you can pick a size, like I'll go with 40 or maybe like 60. Yeah. Now we'll go here and type time underscore label dot pack, and then Patty equals 10. Now we will go here in line 39 and skip it. Now in line 40, we'll have to do some writing from line 40 and line 42. We'll have to type a bit. So let's do tk.button, and then we'll go here. We can copy a bit of this code, but we'll change it a bit. So let's just type this first, and then we will copy the code from 40 to 42. So starting with this, we'll do root, comma, text equals start, comma, then we'll do command equals start, and then that's the end of that. And now we'll do dot pack, and then we'll do patty, and then equals 5. Now we'll copy this code here, line 40, and paste it in line 41. Now what we'll want to do here instead is let's just fix the start. Okay, so now instead of start, we'll put stop. Command, the command will be stop. And then the pack and then patty equals 5. Now we'll go in line 42 and copy it back. And then text equals reset. The command will be reset. And then the pack.patty will be the same. Okay. Now we'll skip these lines and we'll go to line 44 and then we'll do root dot main loop. Let's fix this and let's run the code. So in line 14 I forgot to add a comma. So now let's add def update time as a comma as well. Okay, now let's run the code again. I think it's because I didn't use it undercase. So let's try this again. Okay, we can just type another font in. So maybe there's another font I could type. Or wait, I think it's because I forgot to add these brackets, like the quotes. Okay, now let's run the code. Okay, so we'll lowercase these command equals start, command equals stop, and command reset. Okay, now let's try this. Whoa, that opened a lot. Let's just use this. Okay, so now there's this start, stop, reset. So if we click it, it will just go by 1 second. We can stop it. As you see, the time stops. And we can start it again as you wish. If you want to reset, you can click reset. And it'll go back. Now you can start, stop, reset. We'll do this one more time. Start, stop, and reset. Okay. So that's basically what this code does. So yeah, it's like a great addition to the timer I created for you guys. The code you guys made for yourselves, the timer, the alarm, and the stopwatch, and the time itself. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this other time lesson I taught you guys. And until the next time, have a great time. Bye.